हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं बाइसेक्शन मेथड का एक सम। क्वेश्चन इज यूजिंग बाइसेक्शन मेथड फाइंड अप्रोक्सीमेट रूट ऑफ एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0 इन इंटरवल 0 1 by performing 3 iterations. Now let this be fx. Fx is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 1. Now to find root, हम लोगों को रूट फाइंड आउट करना है। मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ x फॉर विच fx इज 0. ओके, यहाँ पे x क्यूब है, मीन्स इट हैज़ 3 रूट्स, बट वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट रूट विच लाइज इन 0 1. नाउ let us find f of 0, replacing x by 0 in fx. 0 cube minus 3 into x is 0 plus 1 is equal to plus 1. Now f of 1, replacing x by 1, 1 cube minus 3 into x is 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now this value is greater than 0 and this value is less than 0. Therefore, root lies between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Now, in bisection method, formula is x is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Now first iteration, here a is 0 and b is 1. Therefore x1 is equal to a plus b divided by 2 is equal to a is 0, b is 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Now let us find f of x1, replacing x by 0.5. 0.5 cube minus 3 into x is 0.5 plus 1, and this is equal to minus 0.375. ये वैल्यू नेगेटिव है. दिस वैल्यू इज लेस दैन 0 एंड प्रीवियस ग्रेटर दैन 0 वैल्यू इज फॉर 0. प्रीवियस ग्रेटर दैन 0 वैल्यू इज फॉर which is 1 for x is equal to 0. Therefore we have to consider this value and this value. Okay, therefore now f of 0.5 is less than 0 and previous greater than 0 value is for 0. F of 0 greater than 0. Therefore root lies between 0 and 0.5. Therefore second iteration, x2 is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Here a is 0 and b is 0.5. Therefore x2 is equal to 0 plus 0.5 divided by 2 is equal to 0.25. Now let us find f of x2 is equal to, replacing x by 0.25 in fx, x cube, that is 0.25 cube minus 3 into 0.25 plus 1 कैलकुलेट से अगर हम लोग ये फाइंड आउट करेंगे, देन दिस वैल्यू इज 0.265 and this value is greater than 0. Now in previous iteration, less than value is for 0.5. Okay, now above 0.25 is greater than 0 and less than 0 value is for 0.5. We have to consider this value and this. Therefore, root lies between 0.25 and 0.5. Therefore, third iteration, x3 is equal to a plus b divided by 2. A is 0.25 and b is 0.5 is equal to 0.25 plus 0.5 divided by 2 is equal to 0.375. Now let us find f of x3 is equal to 0.375 cube minus 3 into 0.375 plus 1 is equal to minus 0.0723 and this value is less than 0, but we have to perform only 3 iterations. Therefore, after 3 iterations, root is 0.375. f of x3 is minus 0. Which is less than 0. Now bisection method. Now what is meant by bisection? To bisect means to divide into 2 equal parts. Means पहले जो हमारा इंटरवल था वो 0 1, राइट, 0 1. आफ्टर फर्स्ट इटरेशन वो श्रिंक होके हम लोगों को 0.5 फर्स्ट वैल्यू मिला. मीन्स ये इंटरवल को हम लोगों ने बाइसेक्ट किया 0 to 0.5. देन सेकेंड रूट मिला हम लोगों को 0.25. उसको बाइसेक्ट करने के बाद हम लोगों को वैल्यू मिला 0.375. Therefore this method is called bisection method. Now यहाँ पे fx is not exact 0. Therefore here we are finding not exact value, approximate value. क्वेश्चन में मेंशन किया है we have to perform 3 iterations. Therefore after 3 iterations root is 0.375. अगर ज़्यादा iterations परफॉर्म करेंगे तो ये वैल्यू नियर टू 0 आ जाएगा. थैंक यू.